Hey, what's going on, Rico gang? Welcome to another NFT education video where we find projects, we look over the projects, and we try to learn more about NFTs and just see if this is something that we want to invest in. All right. So today, the project I came across today actually wasn't a website, right? I found out about a lot of this stuff on Discord, right? And so I got an invite to this project from a friend or whatever, and he's like, hey bro, check it out. So today we're gonna go over CyberDog's Manifesto, all right? And so they don't necessarily have a website yet, but what they do have is a well put together PDF sort of explaining the project. So I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all through it, all right? So we got the terms of use, we got the table of contents, and so basically you are a code. You are entering a light filled capsule in space. The year's 2355 on planet Andromeda. Okay. Professor Corso's time capsule experiment has reached its conclusion. The 48 purebred dogs have been kidnapped from Earth. Autonomous planet ladder. It should be an autonomous planet lander to create their own planet of dogs, right? These dogs are different. They are cyber dogs, all right? I'm interested to know what we get with a cyber dog, all right? Using neurolinking technology and other advancing technologies, these cyber dogs have genius brain power, the stamina of the finest racehorses. Oh, okay. And these, when you say racehorses, I'm thinking winning money. So here we go on some value. And these finest versions of the purest form of dogs ever created. These dogs were award-winning show dogs and working dogs in their field before the top secret program was crafted to freeze them and modify them for the time capsules. All right. So this planet is a whole bunch of light years away. Your groggery memory is faint, but has merged with your cyber dog's body after you spent a close to a decade in human years thawing in Professor Corso's frozen capsule. Okay, that's kind of dope as far as just within this sort of world in the metaverse. That's what's going on. All seems like a bad nightmare, but it's not. It is your savior. This was really your best option. Planet Earth had ended. The last ray of sunlight had pierced through your frozen capsule as you left Earth. Now it is time to finish the thawing process and start building. Even with your small parcel of land, at least it is something. You hope that this can somehow help you explore, build, and maybe even revisit Earth. All right. So let's talk about the dogs more. That's nice. That's cool. But I want to know what the dogs do. All right. So cyber dogs born with diverse utility. All right. Racing, breeding, governance, and membership. Okay, so this seems like this is a utility NFT within this community, right? 48 legendary rare cyber dog breeds. You got pit bulls, English mastiffs, German shepherds, Dobermans, all types of, real life, I guess, breeds or whatever. And so legendary rare details. If you're lucky to own one, here's how legendary rares stack up to rares. Okay, so the attributes: gestation time, breeding cooldown, speed, intelligence, litter size, gem holders. Oh, okay. So if you're familiar with people that breed dogs in real life, this is already starting to make sense, right? Because faster animals, if you're racing animals, are definitely going to have more value, more intelligent, bigger litter sizes, so you can make money. You know what I'm saying? Gem holders, all that type of stuff matters. So I'm interested to know how that, how that plays in. All right. So there's 12,000 total cyber dogs. All right. This is the maximum supply of legendary and rare cyber dogs, right? There's one of one legendary rare male and then legendary one of one rare female. All right. And so here are how the tiers stack up: one of one gold female, one of one white male, one of one brown male, one of 25 gold female, one of 25 white male, one of 25 brown male, one of 25 black male, and you sort of see the hierarchy right here. All right, build on planet Andromeda. Okay, annual governance voting may occur to modify the requirements to build. Limit map spaces may apply. So you got stadium, kennel, spaceship yard, all those different sort of utilities. All right. True self, sovereign ownership. Your cyber dogs will be transferred to your MetaMask Ethereum address. If you purchase a frozen capsule, you may decide to leave it frozen and not thaw, which is basically minting the capsule. Okay, this means you could transfer it and then mint it at a later date. Due to unknown future events, please be aware that the due cost of the gas Ethereum, we may use other level 2 chains for game events such as Solana, right? We reserve the right to require other chains in order to play cyber dogs, which makes sense. So when you say play, then now that's starting to make sense. All right, Bones. Whenever I see a cash symbol in front of a word, I think of a token, right? So has a maximum supply of 100 billion. 100 billion what? Okay, legendary rare cyberdogs and rare cyberdog owners will not be required to pay for membership fees or any special event fees except for races. So this confirms you'll be able to actually race and play these, right? So I bet you can earn money or bones with this, right? Bones may be used to buy accessories, weapons, power up, and other in-game events. Bones may also be used during competitions as entry fees and tournament awards. Buildings and certain services in planet Andromeda might require bones. Bones are not a financial instrument and are not designed to carry any type of value outside of cyberdogs. Okay, that makes sense. I've seen other projects where you can sort of trade those for crypto, so that makes sense. If cyberdogs are traded off platform, there will be an additional 60-day cooling period for breeding and 30-day cooling period for racing. There's a 10% secondary sale transfer fee at cyberdogs. 2% of these fees are stored in a game developer fund. A portion of the fees go back to helping dog shelters back on planet Earth. Okay, so here's a good roadmap right there. Each Bones token carries 1 vote. Each legendary rare carries 100 million votes, and each rare carries 1 million votes. Wow. Okay, these voting rights can change via governance votes. All right, Cyberdog supply. So Cyberdog land units, 10,000. Cyberdog legendary rare Cyberdogs, there's only 84 of those. Then rare 12,000s, 5,000, 12,000, 5,000 are, sorry, that was supposed to be 10 million. Cyberdog land units, 10 million. Legendary rare Cyberdogs, 84 of those. Rare Cyberdogs, 12,000, 5,000 frozen by capsules. And then bones, there's of course 10 billion bones, and then 10 veterinarian clinics within this sort of meta world, so to speak. So the legendary rare Cyberdog auctions will be available via time-based auctions with no minimum floor price, right? So that means you'll be able to bid on these. Stay tuned for details and links on how to enter in the time-based auctions. Whitelisted users receive first access to links and details, all right? Frozen capsules with 5-pack rare Cyberdogs, all right? So first 5,000 rare Cyberdogs will be distributed via frozen capsules. Thaw basically meant to claim randoms or leave frozen. All right, so these are the prices in Ethereum as far as to mint these, and you basically just type in this to USD in Google to kind of figure that out. Rare Cyberdogs available in tiered pricing, right? So it's the same type of concept here, and then they actually have land for sale in this game as well. So here's the roadmap. Basically, one legendary rare Cyberdogs starts a 7-day auction. Then all land units go on sale. I think I might go cop some of that land. How much is it on that land? Oh, I might go buy some of that land. I might make a video. If y'all want me to make a video going to go buy some land, let me know. Boom. But anyway, public sale goes live. Breeding begins in February 22, right? Then racing begins in March 2022. Cyberdogs AR trainer in March. The Cyberdogs market in May 2022, and then space battles in June 2022, governance in May 2022. And so this is a proven team. With me seeing Disney, EA, and DreamWorks, I mean, they wouldn't put that on here if that was cap. I mean, they worked on video game projects with Disney, EA, and DreamWorks. So these are definitely people who know what they're doing and pretty much have a dope roadmap, a dope project. I'm into dogs, so this is definitely something that kind of pulled at my heartstrings. But let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. Love y'all. Next video. Let's get it.